sure you unplug your battery. So you're gonna do the fuel pump change. You got 4 10mm bolts here. The cover, I've already removed the piece that goes over the plug-in right here. So unplug it. And you're gonna want to pull this back. Make sure you undo your gas cap while you're at it. Remove this by putting a flathead there or the fuel removal. Mine was already jacked up, so I was able to break it loose with no problems. We pull this out of place. Undo all this on the other side, which is behind the passenger. Pull this up and then undo this too. There's a couple clips under there. Same with this is like the other side, but this one's different. On this side, excuse me, you don't want to pull it out from that tank all the way from here. Watch out for the fuel. It's gonna leak like that. There you go. This is where you have to unplug it and then plug in the new one. As you can see, the line's pretty old, so leave that in there for now. Let it soak up. So the line's very old, 2008. New one right there, ready to go in. I'm gonna feed it through there, run it across. Here I'm gonna change out these O-rings. Got new ones right here. Make sure you use a fan too. If you don't use a fan, good luck. Alright. Just use a flathead, pry it up. Just like that. Okay. Grab it. Throw it in the box or on the floor. Just like that. Make sure it's evenly seated. Alright. Run your hose all the way through. When you run it through, be careful. And you're gonna want to catch it on the other side when it gets over there. I'll show you on the other side once it gets over there. After successfully fishing it through here and there it goes. I'm gonna plug it in and get back to it. Oh man, it's very fumy. This is all connected down there. Can't really see it. All right, let's see right there. It's all connected. Make sure it's seated in there, and then just plug everything back up. I'm gonna put in no new O-ring now, and then button this back up. Plugging everything back up. Make sure it makes an audible click like that, and then plug in your cords and tighten everything back up. Do the other side, and we'll continue. When putting this back in, there's a groove right there. I don't know if you can see it. Push down, put your cover back on. Make sure your seal is good, and then put this back on. This. Also plug everything back up as well. Old fuel pump is out, new one's in. Like I said, make sure you use a fan whenever you're doing this job, or else you will be gassed out.